I should have done that. Go.
So we're Team CCR. I'm Jaron, Charles, and Cody. Don't ask where the R came from. We teamed together to build a basically self-controlled cart that will follow a track. Basic programming, and it's got 2 DC motors driven by 2 H-bridges, controlled by the microprocessor. That you can see the microprocessor on the inside here. All powered by a 14-volt battery for a drill. Nice advertising for CCR and AC/DC on top.
Okay.
Basically, it takes an analog input from 3 sensors that tell its positioning relative to the track we want it to drive. The processor then takes those values, makes decisions based on them for which motors to power on.
Okay.
And that's basically the end of.
So you're driving what voltage to the motors?
It's 14 volts to the motors, controlled by about 5 volts.
Okay.
DC values.
Cool.
And well, power on.
I'm going to follow it around the room. So what happens if it loses the track?
Basically got a program built in that it will detect which sensor was the last one to activate and turn the according way so that it's back on track again.
Oh, just missed the cord. Hey, it likes this straight stretch.
Actually, did a better job laying the tape down there.
Crossover is fine.
Yeah.
There's a good example of where it loses the track and then finds it again.
One of the tricky pieces making this is we had to build a spoiler, because at the speed it was traveling there was a lot of force trying to actually make it fly. So we built a spoiler to increase the downforce so it will stay on the track.
Perfect. Everyone needs a spoiler on their popsicle stick car. Well, your popsicle stick engineering is very impressive. So have you figured out how many laps it'll do yet on a charge on the battery?
Infinite. So
We're testing now.
Okay.
let's let it run all day.
So basically you've made use of analog inputs. Quiet on the set, please. So you've made use of analog inputs and motor control outputs.
Pretty much.
Excellent.
We also designed and built the H-bridge, by the way.
Yes.
Designed and built the H-bridge. Aha.
After massive amounts of troubleshooting too.
By the way, 8
Excellent.
hours at least.
Excellent. Oh, here we come back on this last stretch again. One more little bit of recording here. Got to get a close-up of the old AC/DC on here. There we are.
It finds that center one.
I love the tight corners. That was really well done. Excellent. Any last comments?
We can take a picture of it without the ads.
Without the ads.
Without the ads. Well, there's some detail of our popsicle stick construction. Popsicle stick and hot glue.
And as you can see, it will continue to work even without AC/DC power.
Oh no!
Apparently not, actually.
Oh, it doesn't like it there.
No.
That's it.
It needs to be powered by AC/DC or it doesn't work.
Obviously, we have angered the gods by removing the AC/DC.
Use that as Troy.
As it goes out of sight.